show you a demo, and you're gonna just see the amazingness of this thing. You're gonna see the potential. As a matter of fact, when I first got this back, like when Mike and I got this thing back from our programmer, we were literally unable to sleep that night. I reached out to him the next day. I said, Mike, you know what? I had a problem going to sleep because I saw all of the potential. You're gonna see this too. Let's jump right into it. So now, here we are. We're in the Easy Webinar Creator, aka the Moneymaker, right? This thing is drop dead simple, as you're going to see in just a few seconds. You fill in a couple of fields, right? You push a button, and out comes your money-making virtual presentation. Let's take a look at this real quick here. So now, you go in, you fill in the topic, right? You put in 2 or 3 words here. You put in Bob's name. If you want to add your name, you can put your name as well, right? Your name and Bob's name. You put in the title of the presentation. You put in what results they can expect by watching the presentation. After that, you simply scroll down, you push build, and then your virtual presentation is completely done in just a matter of seconds. As a matter of fact, take a look at this. We've made it even easier. So we have a couple of examples here, right? We've got some preloaded, auto-loaded examples. I'll simply come to one of these. You can click onto it. And if you need like examples as to what should be filled in, you'll see that here, right? And again, you come down here, you hit build, boom. So now it creates an outline, right? Pretty cool. I'm not going to scroll through this entire thing, but this is an awesome outline, as you can see here. Then you hit get results. We're going to grab our presentation. So you click this button to get your presentation, right? And then after that, you hit get results, and guess what happens? Your presentation is now downloaded into your computer here. So who wants to see what this thing looks like? It's awesome. So if you want to see what it looks like, type in go. Type in go. All right. We've got Jason saying go. We've got Veronica saying go. We've got Elizabeth saying go. The goes are flying in here, Mike. I think they're ready to see. I think they're pretty hype. I think they're excited about this. So let's jump right into it. So here we are. We're in your virtual presentation, right? This is what it's going to look like, folks. I mean, drop that easy. This program is going to analyze everything that you typed into it and create the best money-making presentation based on what Mike and I know, as well as based on all of the money that we've put into creating this, all of the study that we've put into studying the best copywriters, the best copy, the best sales points, and it's going to be ready to go literally within minutes so that you and Bob could start making money from it. Take a look at this thing, right? Like, look at how it's laid out. You've got your title up here. We've got all of the other aspects of a great presentation, right? It's fully built out. You even have like your close and your sales points in here as well, right? You're going to put in your URL. So it's just ready to go. And literally, you could start making money from this thing within the same day that you go in and put this together. That easy. Push button easy. As you saw, right? You go in, you enter a couple of fields. Bob's going to give you all of that content. Super easy, drop dead. You push a button, and your virtual presentation is created for you. You can do whatever you want with this thing, and it literally just takes minutes to set up. Boom. Now, how awesome was that? Now, you're probably wondering how quickly you can create your own virtual presentation with this software so that you can start making money with this method. So now, let's show you a full virtual presentation that we created right before this webinar and how quickly we were able to do so. We're going to speed it up a little bit so that we can get back to this webinar, but you'll get the idea of how quickly this can be done and how easy it is. Let's jump right in. Bam. Now here, did you see how easy that was? Like literally 6 minutes and some change. We went through the entire program. Super easy, push button simple. We showed you how to go in and fill in the blanks. We made a couple of mistakes, right? So even with all of that, less than 7 minutes to come out with a award-winning, money-making template that you can use. Now here's the best part, right? You're going to get the chance to get a copy of this software program to use yourself. That's right. You're going to get a chance to get a copy of this thing yourself.